Hello guys, welcome to Audumbar classes. In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2022 paper 1 set A. Question number 18. Let xy follows bivariate normal distribution with parameter 0, 0, 1, 1 rho. Consider the following statements. First statement is x plus y and x minus y are independently distributed. Second statement, x plus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 plus rho. Third statement, x minus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 minus rho. Which of the statements given above are correct? And here 4 options are given. Here let's check the statement one by one. But before that, let's note down what is given. Here it is given that x, y follows bivariate normal distribution with mean 0, 0, variance 1, 1 and correlation coefficient rho. We know that if xy follows bivariate normal distribution, then its marginal PDFs are normal. Okay, therefore we can write down x follows normal with mean 0 and variance 1 and y follows normal with mean 0 and variance 1. Then what is given? Correlation coefficient equals to rho. This is given. From this we can find out covariance of xy. So let's find out. Covariance of xy equals to correlation coefficient into square root of variance of x into square root of variance of y. Now here, what is variance of x and variance of y? It is 1. So square root of 1 and 1 will be 1. So we will get covariance of xy equals to rho. Okay. Now, let's check the statement first. First statement is x plus y and x minus y are independently distributed. How we can check the independence? If covariance between x plus y and x minus y is 0, then we can say x plus y and x minus y are independent. So, let's do that. Covariance of x plus y x minus y equals to covariance of xx minus covariance of xy plus covariance of xy minus covariance of y. Okay. Now here plus covariance of xy minus covariance of xy will get cancelled. Covariance of xx means variance of x, and variance of x is 1, and covariance of y means variance of y, and variance of y is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and that means covariance of x plus y, x minus y is 0, and hence we can say that x plus y and x minus y are independently distributed. So our first statement is correct. Okay. Second statement, x plus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 plus rho. Let's check this. First, let's check the expectation of x plus y. We can write down here, it is expectation of x plus expectation of y. Expectation of x is 0 and expectation of y is also 0. So, we are getting expectation of x plus y is a 0. Then we want to find out variance as well. So, variance of x plus y equals to variance of x plus variance of y plus 2 times covariance of xy. Here, what is variance of x? It is 1. Variance of y is also 1. So, it is 1 plus 1 plus 2 times. Covariance of xy is rho. So, 2 times rho. So, what we will get? 2 plus 2 rho. 2 we can take common. So, it is 2 times 1 plus rho. Right? So now let's see the statement what they are saying. X plus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 plus rho. So this statement is also correct. Let's check the third statement. They are asking to check x minus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 minus rho. So let's find out expectation of x minus y. It is expectation of x minus expectation of y. Expectation of x and expectation of y is 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then let's check the variance of x minus y. So what we will get? Variance of x plus variance of y minus 2 times covariance of xy. Now variance of x and variance of y is 1, right? So 1 plus 1 minus 2 times. Covariance of xy is rho. So we will get 2 minus 2 rho. 2 we can take common. It is 1 minus rho. Let's check the statement. They are saying x minus y follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 2 times 1 minus rho. So the third option is also right. Okay. And so correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.